That's right, Amber. And the turnout here has been pretty strong tonight. We've had just a stream of parents and their children, their students, coming out for this really, really important vote that's going to happen in probably an hour or two's time here at the Moore County Board of Education meeting. It opened up just a few minutes ago. And of course, we're talking about the Parents' Bill of Rights. That is the bill that was proposed recently and is sharing a mandate that again would push teachers to ask parents for permission to use alternate names and preferred pronouns that are put out by students as far as what they'd like to be referred to as in school. And the opposition to this has been pretty fierce. In fact, we spoke with a gender nonconforming student and her mother a little while ago who spoke out really strongly on how this policy is just imposing on their rights. Let's take a listen to what they had to say.
It's infringing upon my rights as an American. It's infringing upon my rights as a human. It's infringing upon my rights as a child and a person of the world. It's insulting. It's offensive. It is taking away something that is so unnecessary to even talk about.
This bill helps no one, but it harms a whole lot of kids. Alex, fortunately, has grown up in a household that's welcoming and accepting, but a lot of kids don't. And I have been told by kids Alex's age that they would be shunned if their parents knew.
Now, this bill does have a concession that supporters have been emphasizing here, in that if divulging this information to the parents about the student's preferred name and pronouns, if it's a concern that divulging that to the parents would put that child in danger, teachers then have the option of referring to Child Protective Services with this information instead. But still, again, the opposition has been pretty fierce, with folks arguing that, again, this is a violation of students' policy. We've heard from folks saying that this is a policy that has been rather ill-conceived and they can't see how this would be well executed. And it's also been argued that this really isn't something that not only parents really want, it's not something that parents have really fought for, but they also say that there simply aren't enough children in the school system here to really warrant having this policy in the first place. They also argued that it's a policy that really targets some of the most vulnerable children in the district. However, supporters of the policy argued that it's important to include parents in the conversation about what students are doing and how they're evolving in schools if they're undergoing a gender transition. And it's argued that parents really need to be involved in this educational process. Again, this vote is set to happen in probably another hour at this point. We've still got a strong stream of parents and their students coming in for tonight's meeting. Amber?
Yeah, it has been debated on both sides of the issue. We know that the Moore County School Board has heard from both sides of the issue. It'll be interesting to see how they vote this evening, and we know you'll follow it very closely there in Moore County. Thank you so much.